Hello friends, today's topic for discussion, why GST is important. GST was first mooted by our ex Prime Minister late Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee in the year 2000. From year 2000 when this idea came into existence, there has been discussion on implementation of GST. From the year 2000, every year the budget there will be a mention of GST, but nothing was taken seriously until in the year 2014 when the things started moving really fast and GST was implemented on 1st July 2017. So like they say, every new big change will bring some pain. GST was one of the biggest tax reform, indirect tax reform in our country, and to implement such a big tax reform, every citizen, every taxpayer had to undergo some pain in the initial days, which still we are undergoing little change, little pain, but then the pain was bigger in the beginning. Benjamin Franklin has said, in this world, nothing is certain except death and taxes. So taxes and death, these are the only certain things in life. Now, why GST is important? GST is important. To discuss why GST is important, we have to understand what was in the pre-GST era. During pre-GST era, there were 17 indirect taxes which got subsumed in GST. So there was complicated taxes. So we had 17 indirect taxes, 17 different laws which we had to abide. So the complication was more because we have to abide by different taxes. Cascading of taxes. So you had tax on tax. When you pay service tax, you cannot adjust that tax against sales tax. If you had sales tax, that cannot be adjusted against excess duty. So there was tax on tax. Encroachment of taxes by center and state. So one product or one item may be taxed by both center and states. Like you had software services where center used to say it is services, pay service tax. State used to say no, this software is a goods, pay VAT. So there was an encroachment of the taxes on the same product by different authorities. There was lack of uniformity. So taxes in each state were different, the laws were different. So a businessman having a pan-India presence felt it very difficult to abide by the tax law because the taxes were different in each state. Leakage of tax, because there was no tracking system what we have in GST now. So the chances or the scope for leakage was more in pre-GST era. Hindrance in competitiveness, where like I told, different businesses, same business having pan-India presence will feel it difficult to be highly competitive in the global scenario, and high compliance cost. So the cost to meet different laws was higher. So this all disadvantages of the erstwhile pre-GST taxation forced the government to bring a new GST, a new direct tax, a new GST into picture. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video.